Hi there. Need a closer look, or want to fit more in view? VLC Player lets you zoom in and out of any video frame. Let's see how. In VLC Player, go to the Video menu, then Zoom, and choose the desired zoom level. If the zoom does not work, uncheck Always Fit window. Alternatively, right-click the player, go to Video, then Zoom, and choose the desired zoom.